Hey guys, so I did a video, I think it was, Saturday, on my buddy's Fury, buddy Tobias. It's a 1970 Fury 2 two-door. And I had a bunch of people asking a little bit more about the car, so I thought I'd maybe show a little bit nicer or a better video of the car. I was just showing the exhaust, what we had done with the exhaust. But so this is the engine. It's an engine out of a 2013 Durango, and it runs a Dominator wiring harness and ECM to operate the engine. And then it does have an LS throttle body, so you can have a cable-driven throttle body, so you can run your TV cable. So that's kind of cool. It's actually a pretty nice setup. He did it right. He bought the conversion engine mounts from Holly, the conversion power steering pump. We still got to monkey around with the alternator because it's not just mounted just in the right spot yet. Part of the reason it's here. Couldn't get the rad that we needed for it, so we ended up actually buying a rad for a little bit different car, and we had to cut and weld and move the inlet of the rad. But you got the wheels. It's a driver, so this thing's, he's not planning on painting it. It's actually in pretty good shape. You can see this front nose cone's broken, but it's in pretty good shape for what it is. He's got the wheels he pulled off and had the wheels powder coated, which I actually don't think were on this car originally, but there's the fuel injection system that's on the car. But he had the interior done a little. He did it. He had the seats redone, but the carpet, he pulled the carpet out, put new carpet in it, had the seats reupholstered. So the interior actually looks pretty good for what it is. He's got a new dash pad for it. He said that when he gets to drive in the car, he's going to do that. But it has a 727 in it for a transmission. I guess I'll lift it up here. So, as you guys seen before, this is the exhaust we did up for it. But it's got a 727 in it. Got a 727 in it for a transmission. Sorry, I don't have my big light's dead, so I've got to use my little pen light. But it's got a 727 in it for a transmission. We did the exhaust up on it. He's gonna do an 8 3/4 rear end. Right now it's got an 8 1/4 in it, but just one of those things. It has the conversion tank in it from a B body, so it's not technically the right tank for this car, but if it's okay, so that's nice. Anyways, I know a few guys had asked me about the car, and the car's in the car's in good shape. It's not rotten at all. Like, even the floor pans and stuff in this thing are in good shape. Actually in really good shape for what it is. Hasn't been driven a long time. But anyways, and he redid a bunch of stuff. He put all new ball joints, all new brakes. But like I said, this thing's going to be a driver. So there's no point in making it if he makes it a show car, then you don't want to drive it. So anyways, just thought I'd do a little bit more in-depth video on it. If for the guys that were interested, it is kind of a neat old car. Be curious how it drives. We'd probably maybe do a couple driving videos in the summer on it. I'm sure I'll probably be driving it around a bit. I do, Tobias and I do a bunch of stuff together. Usually a few cars a year kind of idea, play around and stuff. Actually, that's a question for you guys. So for you guys, if I was to buy a car like this, let's say, it might not be this, it might not be a 70 Fury, but a car like this, would you guys want to see a Cummins swap in it, or a new style, basically an Eagle 5.7 Hemi or a 6.4 or something like that in it? Is that something I'm just curious if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. Like I said, I got a couple projects on the go, but when we get those projects done, I'll be looking for more projects to do, obviously. Is that something that you guys want to see? If you do, let me know down in the comments. Also, please give me a like on the video. But let me know, would you want to see a hemi swap? Would you want to see a Cummins swap? You know, let me know what you guys want, because I'm, you know, trying to, you know, show you it doesn't really matter to me. I have an Eagle Hemi that I want to do. I have the Hellcat that needs to still go in something, and then I got a fleet of Cummins to go in stuff. But you know, like, that's just one of those things. I got a bunch of projects in the, I shouldn't say in the works, but a bunch of projects that I want to do with Cummins. But I'd like to do some other stuff as well. But like I said, that's it for this thing. I think anyway. Might do, I don't know, we might do some videos on it as we're doing some different stuff maybe. I don't know. But it'll be a cool old car to drive around in anyways. So anyways, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you guys are subscribed and you haven't hit the bell, please hit the bell so you know the, when I put out new videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.